show me love, make a change.
Hi everybody, if you're looking for a sweet treat for your next party, I've got one for you. It's called Strawberry Jam Swirls. I'm Bridgetta and that's what I'm making today. You're going to need fresh strawberries, all-purpose flour, 1 puff pastry sheet, and this is what the box looks like, lemon, 1 egg, granulated sugar, and powdered sugar. Our first step is to wash the strawberries. I've already done that. I'm going to pull the tops off. Now I love using this tool right here just to scoop out the center. You don't have to do that, I just do it because it's fun. And then we're going to chop the strawberries into small pieces.
Show me life, show me love, make a change.
See if you get it just right. Looks like that.
We can wait for
So now I'm just chopping them into smaller pieces.
show me love, show me love, show me life,
They're going to go into our pot
make a change.
on the stove. I've got a lot of white there. I'm going to cut that off. So as I was saying, I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. They're going to go on the stove. And we're going to macerate them or break them up into more like a jam. Okay, this is our 1 pound of strawberries. First, here's our sugar. We're going to be adding a cup. You can go a cup to a cup and a quarter. And then a lemon, we're going to add that also. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that now and juice it. You only need about 1 to 2 tablespoons.
Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make a mistake. Get interference and lose your way.
We're going to add our strawberries.
Find the light when it rains.
We're going to add our sugar.
Show me life, show me love, make a change. Time is love. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life,
It smells good.
show me life,
And I'd say this looks like 1 to 2 tablespoons.
make a change.
Okay, let's start with that.
We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
And the strawberries, the sugar is going to help with that, create a syrup. And then we're going to use this tool to mash them more because you need to be able to spread it. So not quite a jelly, a jam is thicker. Okay, getting ready to use the puff pastry sheets. If you haven't ever used them, maybe you've used the puff pastry shells. And that's where you fill them. I did a couple recipes with those. So this is really cool because you don't have to make the pastry yourself. Pepperidge Farm has done the work for you. So here is the strawberry filling that you saw me work on in the stove. It went like 25 to 30 minutes and then you have to let it cool so you can work with it. So now I'm going to put flour on my board. Spread that out. Okay, here's our puff pastry sheet. So I've let it come to room temperature and this is how it looks. You open it up and this just helps it so it doesn't stick together. Okay. All right, we're gonna put some flour on top too. Maybe not as much as we put on the bottom. Went a little crazy there. It's supposed to be a light dusting. Okay. And this is gonna help us roll it out. All right, now we're ready to add our filling. We might not need all of the strawberry filling. So see, it's jam, not quite jelly. we still have some lumps of strawberries in there. So we're going to spread it out. Don't make it too thick because you don't want it oozing out the sides. And also keep it away from the edge. Okay, whoops, one a little close to the edge there. And now we're going to fold it into thirds. And we're going to cut it. Oh, we don't have our cookie sheet ready. Hold, please. Okay. Okay, I'll move that away. We need our cookie sheet with parchment paper on it. Okay, now we're going to use a knife. Okay, so now we're ready to slice. So we want them to be about an inch. Okay, and taking one at a time. Whoops, didn't cut that one all the way through. Okay, one at a time. We're going to take it, we're going to twist it, and then bring it around. And it goes on our cookie sheet. We're going to twist it, bring it around. See, so if you did too much strawberry filling, it's going to ooze out. So resist the urge to put too much. All right. Next is going to be our egg wash. Wash my hands again. Mix that up a little bit. Okay, we just want a light egg wash. The oven's preheating to 350. All right, here we go, 12, ready to go in. And that's why you don't want to use too much strawberry filling, but believe me, they taste great.
How long will those last?
Not long. They will not last long. Maybe 24 hours. Okay, we're gonna cook them around 20 minutes. We want them to be golden brown. So it took about 25 minutes. We're going to bring them over here. We're going to let them cool just for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to put some powdered sugar on top. All right, so they're out of the oven and they're rested for about 5 minutes. Now, Mark suggested we use Swedish pearl sugar on a few of them, and we're going to use some with powdered sugar on top. So the pearl ones are tiny little pearl pieces like that. Okay, so let's see if we can put some on there without them. And the reason why we let it rest is because we didn't want them to melt the sugar. If you put them on too soon, the heat just melts them. Okay. Now you could do granulated sugar. Should I do more with pearl?
Sure.
Okay, I'll mix it up a little bit. Kind of just guessing how much to put on here. Okay, and then I'll do these in powdered sugar. Okay. We're going to give them a try. Strawberry jam swirls. That's what I made.
I wish you could smell these. The kitchen smells wonderful.
Yeah.
These are beautiful little pastries that Bridgetta made. Ugh.
And they're still a little warm. Probably be good to let them cool. But we've decided we can't wait. So I have the ones with the pearl sugar on them.
These are amazing.
Really good.
Holy cow. Fresh strawberries make the difference.
For sure. Now, I would say probably less strawberry jam because so much oozed out. Or just don't roll it out as much as I did. Keep it thicker. That would probably work good too.
I like these a little better than the last ones you made. Last ones had less strawberry jam in them, but they were amazing too. They didn't last. I mean, these things will be gone in nothing flat. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm happy with, oh, they taste really good. I can't decide whether, the last time we just did all powdered sugar, this time we mixed it, the pearl sugar and the powdered sugar. So, really good. I like strawberry jam. Strawberry anything, really. I like, so, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back again soon with another great recipe. Bye-bye.